Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. We're down here in the goat barn and we're going to give an update on our goats. Of course, this is Gigi right here, and Gigi don't have her baby no more. He's across the way, and we'll look at him in just a second. She is getting ready to be moved over to the other ones this week. So it's the 1st of July, and she's probably been trying to dry her off for probably about 2 or 3 weeks when we moved him off. And I've got a video of him when we first moved him over there by himself and he started crying, so I'll put that in here right now. And then over here, of course, we got the 2 girls and Phil, which is the buck, and hopefully they'll start. I think they're going heat in July, so that's why we want to dry her up, move her over here. She'll go in the heat, and I'll go in heat, and hopefully hopefully we'll have a bunch of babies. Now these 2 girls here have never been bred. They're actually her daughter, Gigi's daughter, and that's why we had to get rid of our other buck, because we just had one. You know, he could just breed with Gigi, so we couldn't breed with his own daughter, so we had to get a new line going. So, but he was really good. I hate that, and that's his son back there. And I wish we got him on Craigslist. So if you're looking for a good buck, he's a good one. I don't know about him yet, Phil, so we'll see what kind of babies he puts out and see how he does. He's a little more friendly. He was raised a little different than what we raised him. But she's turned out beautiful. This is a beautiful goat right here. So we'll get these fed and we'll go over and we'll look at the old buddy boy here. He's wanting him some food too. So this old buddy boy here, and he didn't take it very well. I mean, he cried so much he got hoarse. And we'd laugh at him, but he's a lot better now. But he's a fine goat. He's polled and blue-eyed, and his daddy was a good breeder. I'm saying he's going to be a good breeder. So.
Trying to get through the gate.
He's wanting his food, is what he's wanting. All right, let me get him food and let me get him fed, and we'll go on to the next thing. As I said, I'm actually, let me come over here and let me tell you what my plans are, just real quick. I want to replace this little gate with probably a full-size door, and of course they go out and they got a little pasture. They got pasture in the back that they go out to. And I've got a feeder, a hay feeder, and a feed feeder combination. I'm gonna move it in here, so I'm gonna make this door where it's easier for me to walk in and out. And I'm gonna go in there, and that way they'll be used to me going in there when we start milking. Because we got big plans this year. Of course, we've always had big plans. It don't hurt to have big plans. Sometimes we don't get to execute them exactly right, but we're going to milk. We'll have 3 good milkers, hopefully. And of course, we're not going to sell the milk. We just kind of want it for ourselves, for soap. Our daughter drinks it, and we're going to try to make some cheese just for ourselves. So that's the whole idea. So, but they go out in the back pasture, so I'll move them all here, and we'll put a door here. And plus, I think it'll keep them where they won't be able to see me if I'm over here working. Like even at the greenhouse, they see me and they start hollering, going crazy. So it's kind of annoying at times, especially when you're filming a video. So I'm hoping all this will work out, and I'll make a video of the door, and when I move her over, when I move Gigi over here, and we'll see how Gigi reacts with the other ones, and it'll probably be interesting. All right, so let's move on to something else.
Hi, Chi-Chi.
Okay, we're gonna give you a high tunnel update, and we're in the tomato high tunnels, and we pretty much, I've seen just a little bit of the blossoming rot. I did 2 treatments, and I think I'm gonna do 1 more treatment in a few days. And they're just now starting to turn. We've got some of the biggest tomatoes we've ever had, and we're going back up here. I want to show you this up here. But they're actually starting to pull, some of them starting to pull over our stakes. And like right over here, I'm going to have to put another stake on it. Now look at those big old tomatoes. Let's go right up here and show them this cluster up here we got. Right there's one right, getting ready to ripen. So we're on the verge of hopefully having a good tomato harvest. Look at these. These are the biggest tomatoes I think we've ever grown. Look how big and beautiful that thing is. Got another big one right here. Look at this one. I'm afraid to touch it. So we did have a cutworm problem in here, and I kind of go through and check. I think I got them all out. Let's back up here. The sun's right in my eyes. I'm kind of looking around. I usually come down here about every evening and check for worms, and if I do, I pick them off and feed them to the chickens. It has got a few tomatoes, not a whole lot. So I'm trying to prevent all that. So everything looks really good. Our heirlooms look really good. Fixing the water. I haven't watered in a couple of days. We're going to pick first and we're going to water. And Romans are starting to come on too. We've still, if we have any blossoming rots, it's in the Romas, which we've had problems with them before. So I might just try a different variety next year of plum. We got some big old Romas. You talk about making some good sauce. Look at this. All right there, we're gonna pick at. We're actually fixing to pick the everything, but I'm not gonna film all that. We're getting ready to go to the market tomorrow, so we need to go through and pick everything we can. But I'm doing a little update here. Really happy. Look at that big cluster down here. I just noticed it. Let's look at it. Things are huge right there. Look at this.
Restake that one, retie it.
Yeah, I want to. It's been so hot and dry, it's hard to get out and do any maintenance. We just mainly been watering and picking, watering and picking, watering and picking. And we have I can't remember last time we had rain, so it takes about 2 hours a day to water. And it takes a lot of our time, but that's all right, that's the way it goes. See these over here and look at the peppers real quick. Okay, we're in the other high tunnel, the pepper high tunnel, and everything looks really good. Our bell peppers are a little bit behind, I think, but everything else is really good. Matter of fact, we got some gypsies over here ready to pick, or will be ready. Look at these, beautiful. Yeah, we've got several there. We might have enough to pick, and we got blooms everywhere. Right here, so I don't remember what these are. Do you?
No,
I don't think they're a cowhorn.
Make steak.
I don't know, it might be a cowhorn. These are all bells over here. Now they got blooms. So we got little bitty peppers. Right here's one. So right here's several on this one. So it won't be long. It looks really good. We really, for whatever reason, we grow really good peppers in here. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the soil or what. These right here are jalapenos. Well, that one there's about no. Right, here's one. Here's a good one. We're gonna let them get a little bigger. These are them jumbos, so from here on out is jalapenos. So everything's looking really good. We did have some dying. We had to replant, and some of them didn't even make it. And I don't know why. I've got a section I meant to show you over there in the tomatoes that there's about 3 plants that I cannot get anything to grow in there. I don't know what the deal is. So anyway, here's your update. Oh, the sport peppers. Let's look at them real quick. They look beautiful. Wow, what a beautiful plant. A lot of blooms. Oh yeah.
I can't get it on camera. Right there. Here's another one right here.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah, that's good. And here's the pumpkins. Kind of worried about them. They're not doing too good. So, and I don't know where this stupid old weeds come from. So I think I've got some seeds, and I'm going to try to direct sow them this week too.
This one's getting a little bigger.
Yeah, this one's got some real leaves on it. I don't know. I don't know if I didn't do something right. These didn't come up at all. So, all right. So there's a tour, a little update on the dairies, update on the high tunnels. Like I said, we're fixing to go pick, and it's hot as all get out here. The sun was behind the clouds there for a few minutes, and it cooled it down. But anyway, we're gonna go pick on that, pick some vegetables for y'all to buy at the farmer's market. These peppers gonna be ready before long. We'll have a lot of good stuff here. We're probably 2 weeks away, I think, or a week away from tomatoes, peppers, and everything, just having everything. So we'll have a lot of good stuff there, and I'll put it on Facebook. Appreciate everybody watching. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. Go to the farmer market next to you, wherever you live. All the farmers appreciate it. Hey, we'll see you down there at the farm next video.